If your English is not improving, it's not because you're not trying. It's because you're doing the wrong things every day without realizing it. Many English learners spend months, even years studying. They watch videos, they read books, they memorize words. But when it's time to speak, they feel stuck, slow, confused, not confident. Why? Because improving your English is not only about what you do, it's also about what you must stop doing. In this video, I'll show you the most common mistakes that are secretly holding you back and how to fix them. 1. Stop translating everything in your head. This is the biggest problem. You think in your language, then translate into English, then try to speak. This process is slow and stressful, and it kills your confidence. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. I'm tired. I need water. I'm going outside. Simple thoughts, but very powerful, because fluency starts when translation stops. 2. Stop waiting to be perfect. Many learners say, I will speak when my English is perfect. But here's the truth, you will never feel ready. If you wait for perfection, you will never start. Making mistakes is not failure, it is learning. For example, wrong. Yesterday I go to market. Correct. Yesterday I went to the market. But if you never speak, you will never improve. So speak now. Fix later. 3. Stop only studying grammar. Grammar is important, but it is not everything. Many learners spend hours studying rules, but they cannot speak simple sentences. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and skills require practice. Imagine learning to drive by reading a book. You understand the rules, but you can't drive. English is the same. Use grammar, but don't depend on it. 4. Stop being passive. Watching videos is easy. Reading is easy. Listening is easy. But these are passive activities. They don't force your brain to work. If you want real improvement, you must be active. Speak, repeat, practice. For example, don't just watch a video. Pause it. Repeat the sentence. Say it out loud. That's how learning becomes real. 5. Stop learning words without context. Many learners memorize long word lists, but they forget them quickly. Why? Because words alone have no meaning. You must learn words in sentences. For example, instead of learning improve, learn I want to improve my English. Now the word has meaning. Now you can use it. 6. Stop comparing yourself to others. This is a silent problem. You see someone speaking English fluently, and you feel bad. You think, I'm not good enough, but you don't see their journey. Everyone starts somewhere, not someone else's level. Even one sentence a day is progress. 7. Stop using your native language all the time. If your life is 100% in your language, your English will stay weak. You must create space for English. Small changes. Change your phone language. Watch videos in English. Think in English. Speak to yourself. Make English part of your daily life. 8. Stop giving up too early. Many learners start with motivation but stop after a few days. They don't see fast results, so they quit. But English is a skill, and skills take time. You don't go to the gym for 1 week and expect a perfect body. Same with English. Consistency is everything. 9. Stop being afraid of speaking. Fear is one of the biggest barriers. You are afraid of making mistakes, being judged, sounding wrong. But remember this, no one learns to speak perfectly from the beginning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Speaking is practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become. 10. Stop learning without a system. Many learners learn randomly. One day vocabulary, next day grammar, then nothing. No structure, no consistency. This creates confusion. Instead, follow a simple system. Listen daily, speak daily, think in English, learn useful sentences. Simple system is the real progress. Improving your English is not about doing more. It's about doing the right things and stopping the wrong ones. So today, ask yourself, what should I stop doing? Because sometimes the fastest way to move forward is to stop what's holding you back. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something important today. If you want to improve your English faster, start by removing these mistakes from your daily routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Keep going, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.